The Boeing MH-139 Grey Wolf is a twin-engine helicopter serving the United States Air Force. It's designed for security and support missions. The Grey Wolf is actually a variant of the Italian-built Leonardo AW139. In 2018, Boeing secured a $2.4 billion contract to develop it. This acquisition was a major event for Air Force Global Strike Command. Initially, the goal was to purchase 84 of these advanced helicopters. The MH-139 will enhance security patrols of nuclear missile fields. It will also transport senior officials when needed. Other crucial roles include search and rescue missions. The Grey Wolf is designed for personnel and cargo transport. Aircrew survival training will also utilize the new helicopter. The precise number of MH-139s in the fleet is currently uncertain. The initial plan for 84 helicopters has faced reductions. The fiscal year 2025 budget suggests a fleet of only 36. The program has encountered some setbacks, like FAA certification. FAA certification is needed for operation in U.S. domestic airspace. The MH-139 boasts military and commercial system integration. An integrated training system is based on existing AW139 trainers. Sustainment tools ensure seamless government interfaces. A global commercial/DoD support system aids parts procurement. Maintainers can conduct all maintenance at the operational level. 2 FADEC-controlled Pratt & Whitney engines power the helicopter. These engines are housed in turbine burst containment boxes for safety. The engine's infrared signature is reduced for increased stealth.